YouTube. We're going to do a bit of maintenance today on my Royal Enfield Himalayan. Going to do a bit of chain maintenance to start off with, give it a clean and adjust it if it needs it. So here we go. Right, first of all we'll start off by giving it a good clean and then give it a good brush with one of these chain brushes. I always put a piece of cardboard underneath to stop any drippage. Drippage, is that a word? Stop any drips from the chain lube or the cleaner going onto my garage floor. So I've got the back jacked up, it should be quite easy really. So spraying it with a bit of degreaser and then get my brush at it. You can pick these brushes up for a few pounds. They're well worth it for doing this job. You'll also notice I'm wearing a pair of gloves, which I'd recommend as well. Use a modern type degreaser because your old-fashioned type can eat away at the O-rings and therefore you'll get wet, therefore you'll get damp onto the pins and it'll go rusty inside. So bit of chain on the road. Job done. Right, Royal Enfield say an up and down of between 25 to 30 millimetre. So that's an inch up and down, as in an inch up and an inch down. So altogether that's 2 inch. Quite simply, you tape measure from all the way down, from all the way up to all the way down. To adjust your chain you're going to need a 24mm spanner and two 12mm spanners. I put a screwdriver in the other side of the bolt. There is a hole, the screwdriver will slot in, you can hold the bolt in one place and then I can undo this with my 24mm spanner. Right, there's marks on the axle adjuster and on the swinging arm. I hope you can see them there. And basically you've got to make sure you have the same marks lined up on either side. So I'm wanting to slacken my chain, so I need to slacken this nut off. Until I get up to the next mark, which I've already done on the other side. Just get a rubber mallet and tap it that way. Just to make sure I've got it lined up on the correct mark, on the axle, measure how much thread is stuck out of here, and I've measured the other side. It's 4.4 metres, 4.5 metres, so I'm quite happy. So that's my chain adjusted and lubricated, ready for when I can get out on it once we're off lockdown. I hope you found it interesting, and it's quite easy to do. Just make sure your wheels are lined up. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I've got 319 subscribers. I'm chuffed to death. It'd be lovely to get it up to 1,000. So please subscribe and like and comment. If you've seen anything wrong in the video, please comment. If you've enjoyed it, like it and leave me a comment. Thank you very much. If you have to adjust your chain, quite simply you undo your bolt, your wheel bolt, and just adjust it using these screws. There's marks on the axle. I'm coming.